Okay guys, today we're checking out the new TECNO Spark 9 Pro, the Sports Edition. I know we've already checked out the normal Spark 9 Pro, and you'll find out that there's just a sort of refresh in terms of design, but it's the same phone. So you get the same 32 megapixel selfie camera, you get the same Helio G85 processor, the same 50 megapixel main camera, the same display, the same battery size and fast charging with Type-C and MEM Fusion to expand RAM. So this is the TECNO Spark 9 Pro Sport Edition, which is designed by Designworks, which is a BMW company. And I'm sure you can tell of the BMW look from here, and even internally, as we will see. I think this year TECNO has had a good run with what are they called? This sort of nice designed fonts. We already looked at the Common Mondial Edition, which you can also watch the unboxing video. And now we're looking at this sort of BMW Edition. So it comes with up to 4 gigs of RAM, which is expandable with MEM Fusion, and 128 gigs of internal storage. At the side, you can tell, don't know if you can see that quite well, somewhere here, that sort of BMW color finish, Spark 9 Pro, Sport Edition. At the top, just another look into the main specs of the device. There you go. On this other side, you can also tell this looks really nice. Okay, and on the top we already looked at that. Immediately you remove the top box, you get this with a phone at the top reading Spark 9 Pro Sport Edition. Underneath you get the warranty as usual. Then you get the clear sort of flexible plastic cover, the Type-C charger, the Type-C cable, the usual earphones, and over here you also get the SIM ejector tool. Okay, so here is the 18-watt charger. You can compact it for easy travels and all that. Nothing else in the box is BMW. Now we have to look at the phone. So the highlight of this unboxing is just to look at the design of the phone. And it looks really, really, really good. I hope you can tell the diamond sort of cut finish or look on the sides. So inside you get this sort of gray. The camera is making it appear white, but it's sort of gray with some porous like look. Then the 50 megapixel branding over here, and then the sort of diamond cut finish on the sides. So the cameras have blue and red and white and the sort of diamond like look inside, and then the bottom camera has the blue and the dark blue finish, and the two smaller lenses inside. The 50 megapixel branding is over here. This is what I want you to see very well. Can you tell that on the sides there is this sort of porosity like finish, like looks like scales but way better. Then the TECNO Spark branding is down here, then the diamond like finish over here. I think this is one of the best looking phones we unboxed on this channel in a while. I don't know, what do you think? What do you think of this look? Okay, let me remove this. On the side, okay, before we go to the front, on the side you get the volume up, volume down, and the power button, which is also the fingerprint scanner. It's almost flush to the body, but it has some travel, you can feel it. Then the volume are also like quite tiny, but you can easily feel them. At the bottom you get the headphone jack, the Type-C cable which is next to the microphone and the speakers. On this other side you get the SIM ejector, rather the SIM tray, nothing else. And on the top it's very, very, very clean. So let's power it on. So yeah, iOS 8.6.0. The same camera experience, the same software experience. If you go into settings, my phone, it's basically the TECNO Spark 9 Pro. So if you're wondering if you'll be receiving updates different from other versions of the Spark 9 Pro, no, you will be receiving updates in the same manner, which is good. It means TECNO doesn't have a lot of different devices to send out updates to. But anyway, I think this is one of the best looking phones we've seen this year. For its budget, I think if you want something that stands out, something that shouts, or rather asks you to ask which device that is, here's a device to consider. Okay, all other details including price are in the description box, and you can check it out with the included links in the description. Do let me know what you think of this look and this design, and subscribe.